Good morning. In this video we have to see about the design of base plates. Myself Dr. J. Sahayaruban, Professor and Head, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. The column base plate connections are the critical interface between the steel structure and the foundation. These connections are used in building to support gravity load and function as part of lateral load resisting system. So in this picture we have to see the base plate. It is connected by the bolts. So this is a concrete footing, this is a column member, I section member. The steps involved to design the base plate. Step number 1. Normally we have to assume the grade of the concrete considering the uniform stresses at the bottom of the plate. The bearing strength of the concrete is determined based on Codal provision, that will be is equal to 0.45 FCK. The step number 2, to determine the area of the slab base, it is calculated by A is equal to P divided by bearing strength of the concrete. P is the factor load on the column. FCK is equal to the characteristic compressive strength of concrete. So after calculating the area, we have to fix the size of the base plate. For economy point of view, so as far as possible to keep the projection L as well as B, you have to take it as equal, A and B. Then step number 4, to determine the intensity of earth pressure W, that will be is equal to load by area of the base plate provided. So that after finding the intensity of pressure W, we have to find out the minimum thickness as given by class 7.4.3.1 from IS 800-2007. That is T is equal to square root of 2.5 W into A square minus 0.3 B square gamma M0 divided by Fy. That value should be less than or equal to, greater than or equal to TF. So TF is equal to the thickness of compression member, that is a column. Then step number 6, to provide the 2 or 4 numbers of 20 mm holding downward bolts. Then step number 7, you have to determine the welding length and strength of the weld to require to connect the base plate as well as the column member. So next we will see a problem regarding the design of design a slab base for a column IS MP 300 at 588 Newton per meter, carrying an axial factor load of 1000 kilonewton. M20 grade of concrete is used for the foundation, provided welded connection between the column and the base plate. In this problem, the size of the column is given as Indian standard middle beams 300 at 588 Newton per meter. Then axial factor load or ultimate load is given by 1000 kilonewton. Grade of the concrete also given as M20. So you have to find out the connection between the column as well as the base plate. As we already discussed that bearing strength of concrete, so normally we have to calculate by 0.45 FCK. 0.45 into FCK value is given by 20, so that will be is equal to 9 Newton per mm square. So based on the bearing strength of the concrete, we have to determine the required area of the base plate. So step number 2, determine the required area of the base plate. So that is equal to load by bearing strength. So 1000 into 10 power 3 divided by 9 will get 111 mm square required area of base plate. So we have to define that area of the base plate, L into B. So these are the properties taken from IS SP6. So that column width of the flange 250 mm, depth of the flange is 300, then thickness of the flange is 10.6, then thickness of the web is 3.6. So based on this we have to provide that base plate size. So the depth will be provided by 300 projection 330 mm plus 30 mm. So 360 mm. Like breadth will be provided as 250 plus 30 plus 30. So that will be equal to 310. So area provided is equal to 360 by 310. So 111600 mm square we will get the value like that area of the base plate. So normally the area is provided is 111 mm square. So this value is more than already area required. So we have to use this size of the plate as 360 by 310. Next we have to find out that intensity of pressure W. So what is the need of find out? To find out the thickness of base plate, first you have to find out the intensity of earth pressure. So okay, W is equal to load by area provided, will get 8.96 Newton per mm square. So minimum thickness as per Codal provision. So thickness of slab base is equal to 2.5 into intensity of earth pressure W, projection A square minus 0.3 B square into gamma m0 divided by yield strength Fy power of 1 by 2. That value should be greater than or equal to thickness of compression flange member. So substitute all the value. Finally you will get value as 7.8 mm. Already we know the value thickness of flanges is more than this one. So you have to adapt 12 mm thick plate. So based on that Codal that value TS we get 7.8. So as per condition that value should be more than thickness of flange of compression member. So we have to take it as 12 mm thick plate. So use 4 numbers of 20 mm diameter with 300 mm long bolt to connect the base plate to the foundation. So downward bolt is required to connect. So 4 numbers required to connect the plate as well as next we have to find out the connection between the base plate as well as column by finding the length of the weld. So length of the weld we have to find out is equal to 2 into 2bf minus tw plus d minus 2tf. So substitute all the value. Finally we will get a value of 15425 4 mm. So then we have to find out the strength of the weld by this equation, that is FUB, that is the yield strength of the plate divided by square root of 3 into gamma ml. So substitute that will be equal to 410 divided by square root of 3 into 1.25. So 189.37 Newton per mm square. So based on the length of the weld as well as the strength of the weld, we have to find out the thickness of weld. So the size of the weld or thickness of the weld we have to find out by using this relation, that is load is equal to strength due to weld into LW into 0.7 S. So already we know the value of load 1000 into 10 power 3 is equal to strength of the weld, that will be already that was already found out by 189.37. The length of the weld is 1542 into 0.7 S. So S is equal to 4.89 mm. So provide 6 mm weld to connect the base plate to the column. So provide 360 by 310 by 12 mm plate as a base plate and use 6 mm fillet weld to connect the base plate to the column. Also 4 numbers of 20 mm diameter bolt with 300 mm long bolt to connect the base plate of the column. This is a graphical representation of base plate. The blue color show the base plate. The size is 360 by 310 by 12 mm. This is a column I section. The base plate is connected with the foundation by using 4 numbers of 20 mm bolt. The column is connected by using the fillet weld. So this is all about that base plate design. Thank you so much.